Student, good afternoon. Yesterday we started the lesson 1, the dawn. The dawn. What is that? The meaning of dawn? The meaning of dawn is a starting. The starting or beginning. Okay? The starting or beginning. Okay, children. DAWL. The beginning. Okay, now. We have completed this lesson about the Uncle Pathak. Uncle Pathak is a very fond of nature. He is very lovable about the nature. Yesterday we started a lesson and completed, and some of the action words are there. Action words, what are action words? Now I am explaining. Okay? Explaining. Washing. Now you are listening. Now you are watching this video. Okay, now I am giving some information, explaining. Okay? These are the work which we are doing. These all are called action words. Washing, cooking, brushing, running, skipping, jumping. Okay, na? These all are. Then here, can you add 6 more action words? Yesterday we are written studying, reading, writing, drawing, singing, dancing. Okay, na? These are the action words. And now try to make sentences with them. What we have written these action words, make a sentence with that. Singing. She is singing very well. She is singing very well. Now, teacher is explaining lesson very well. It is very interested. She is writing very good. She is studying very interestedly. Okay, na? She is dancing so nice. She cooks very well. These are the action words with the sentences. Okay? And here they are asking S words. Yes, there are also many action words with an S at the end. He tells, sings, likes, runs, plays, walks. These are, and so on. These are also action words which are end with S. Now, write 3 such words here. Write such 3 words. Here we can write cooks. Okay? And drinks. Okay? And lights. She lights. Okay? These are the S words. Correct these sentences using S words. Here in the 5th bit, page number 8. 5th bit. Here they are given some sentences here. Then we have to make the action word with using of S. Okay, na? Here they are given. Prakash eat a banana with tea every day. Prakash eat a bun with tea every day. What we have to write now? Prakash eats. Eats is an action word. Okay, na? Prakash eats a bun with tea every day. And the second one, Radhika cook her breakfast before she go to office. What is action here? Cook. We make the sentence as action words. Radhika cooks. Radhika cooks. Radhika cooks her breakfast before she go to office. And he looks smart in uniform. It is an incomplete sentence. Looks like. Okay? He looks smart in uniform. uniform. See, he looks చూడడానికి చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నాడు. He looks smart in uniform. She read many story books. She reads many story books. Sheila plays with her friend in the evening. Sheila plays with her friend in the evening. Sheila plays, eats, cooks, looks, reads, plays, drinks. Like these all are also action words. And Blackie is barking. Here sixth bit has given. Sixth bit. Blackie is barking. Blackie is a dog. The name of the dog is Blackie. She's bark. Dogs bark. What do the other animals do? Match them correctly. Here they are asking some animals and their sounds. Cats moo. Cows mew. Lions roars. Monkeys chatter. Donkeys bray. Here first one is the D. Second one is the B. Third one is E. Fourth one A. Fifth one C. In the sixth bit. Okay, children? Here it is page number 9. And Uncle Jadhav lives in a city. He likes to sit on the balcony in the evenings and watch the roads and the park. Make a list of 5 things he would see. Here in this lesson, Uncle Pathak's story has given. We can imagine about the story of Uncle Jadhav. While he is sitting in a balcony in the evening, what he can watch on the road in the city. What we can see on the road? First one is 7th bit. First one, vehicles. Okay, and second, first one is vehicles. Different types of vehicles can travel on the road. Okay, those are car, buses, okay, and bikes, and walking people. People are walking on the road. Walking people also we can see on the road. Uncle Jadhav lives in a city. He can, while sitting in his balcony in the evening, he can watch some of these things. A car, bike, and buses, and lorries, and men doing while they are walking on the road. And 8th bit here they are given the using words are something, nothing, everything. Something అంటే ఏదైనా కొంచెం, nothing ఏమీ లేదు, everything అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి. Something ఏదైనా, nothing is there, everything it is, everything is there. Okay na? Okay, here it is empty, nothing, something. Okay, we goes to next page now. Here it is, fill in the blanks they are given. Here the fill in the blanks are given. What is that? Sheila said, use it. Fill in the blanks using something, nothing, or everything. Which is a suitable word among these 3 words? Something, nothing, everything. We can complete this fill in the blanks. Okay now? Here, Sheila said dash in Tino's ears. Tinku, who sat near her, heard dash she was very busy. What we can write here? Sheila said something in Tina's ears. Tinku, who sat near her, heard nothing. She was very busy. Why? Because she said something in the Tina's ears only. Okay na? Okay. Sheila said something in Tina's ears. Tinku, who sat near her, heard Nothing. She was very busy. Why? Because she is very busy. She cannot heard anything. Which the Sheila said to Tina. Okay. The box in the room was very heavy. The box is very heavy. Chala baruvuga undi. There was dash or nothing. There was something or nothing or everything. Why? Because the box is very heavy. Chala heavy ga undi kabatti in that box nothing, maybe something. Then only the box will become very heavily. The box in the room was very heavy. There was dash in it. He opened the box, but there was dash. The box was empty. The box in the room was very heavy. There is something in it. He opened the box, but there is nothing. Why? Because the box was empty. Okay? When it is heavy, we can feel something. But when we open, it is empty means it is nothing. Neeta had dash for breakfast. So she was hungry. Sonia had a tiffin box full of eatables. She gave dash to Neeta. Neeta had nothing or something for breakfast. Why? She is very hungry. Because she has not have any eatable things for breakfast. Neeta had nothing for breakfast. We have to write here nothing. Neeta had nothing for breakfast. So she was hungry. There is nothing to eat. Then only she is very hungry. Sonia had a tiffin box full of eatables. She gave something to Neeta. దాంట్లో ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి షీ హాస్ గివెన్ టు నీతా టు ఈట్. ఓకే. అండ్ ప్రియా ఆస్క్డ్ హర్ అంకుల్ అబౌట్ స్టార్స్. Priya asked her uncle about stars. He gave a book to her and said, "This book has dash about stars." What we have to write here? Nothing or something or everything. Okay. This book has everything about stars. Priya asked her uncle about stars. He gave a book to her and said, "This book has everything about stars." Which he has given? It is a total information has in the textbook about the stars. I am thirsty. Give me dash to drink, said Mukesh. I have dash in my bottle, replied Rahul. I am thirsty. Give me something to drink, said Mukesh. I have nothing in my bottle, replied Rahul. And make sentences using nothing, something and everything. Nothing. This book is full of, the box is very heavy. But when we open, it is empty. There is nothing. Okay? Nothing. And something. Will you give me something to eat? And everything. I have everything. What we need. I have everything in my life which I need. Okay? And here it is. Repeat this word after your teacher. This is the repeat. Repeat these words after your teacher. What is this, Amma? Eleventh bit. B. Second one, feel. Here it is. Some other words has given. We have to pronounce it. Okay? B-E-A-T, beat. B-I-T, bit. B-E-A-T, beat. B-I-T, bit. B-E-A-T, bit. She beats me. B-I-T, bit. Bits of paper. Piece of paper means bits of paper. B-E-A-T, beat. B-I-T, bit. F-E-E-T, feet. F-I-T fit. F-E-E-T feet. F-I-T fit. B-E-A-T beat. B-I-T bit. And F-E-E-T feet. F-I-T fit. L-E-A-S-T least. L-E-A-S-T least. L-I-S-T least. What is least? Least అంటే చాలా తక్కువ. Least. L-E-S-T least అంటే చాలా తక్కువ. L-I-S-T list means మనము ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా లిస్ట్ రాస్తాం చూడండి. కిరాణా షాప్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఇది కావాలన్న నంబర్ గివింగ్ నంబర్స్ అండ్ రైటింగ్ సంథింగ్ నో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ లిస్ట్. S-H-E-E-P sheep. S-H-I-P sheep. Sheep గొర్రె. S-H-I-P ship boat. S-T-E-A-L steal. He is stealing something. He is stealing my pen. దొంగతనం. S-T-I-L-L still అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు at present. ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందా? H-E-A-L heel. H-I-L-L hill. H-E-A-L heel అంటే heel మడవలాంటి. H-I-L-L hill. L-E-A-V-E leave. L-I-V live. Live. S-E-A-T seat. S-I-T sit. W-H-E-E-L wheel. W-I-L-L will. W-E-E-P whip. W-H-I-P whip. Okay, again we can repeat. B-E-A-T beat. B-I-T bit. Beat means she beats me. She is beating me. Bit a piece. Bits of paper. Paper యొక్క ముక్క. F-E-A-T F-E-E-T feet. F-I-T fit. She is fit for anything. L-E-S-T L-E-A-S-T least. L-I-S-T least. S-H-E-E-P sheep. S-H-I-P ship. S-T-E-A-L steal. S-T-I-L-L still. H-E-A-L heel. H-I-L-L hill. L-E-A-V-E leave. L-I-V-E live. S-E-A-T seat. S-I-T sit. W-H-E-E-L wheel. W-I-L-L will. W-E-E-P weep. W-H-I-P whip. Okay, fun time. Here they are given as a fun time. What is it, Amma? Here are the two children, one boy, one girl. He is playing something. They are playing something. What it is? This is played in pairs. Pairs అంటే జంట, ఇద్దరు ఆడాలి, ఒకరు ఆడేది కాదు. This is played in pairs. Two of you form a pair. ఇద్దరిని ఒక pair అంటారు. One of the pairs turns around without showing the other, hides a bit of paper in one hand. Then he turns back holding both the fists together and says, there is nothing in one hand, there is something in the other hand. Touch the hand which has nothing. If the other player touches the correct hand, he gets 1 point. Repeat the game 10 times. Whoever gets the most number of points wins. Okay, na? Understood this play? Shall we play this game? Two children are there. Two are make a pair. ఒకరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఒక చేతిలో ఇద్దరు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని వెనకాల తిరిగి ఏదో చేతిలో ఒక పేపర్ పట్టుకోవాలి. ఇద్దరు వెనకాల ఒకరు వెనకాల అటు వాళ్ళు తిరగాలి, ఇటు వీళ్ళు తిరగాలి. తిరిగి ఒక పేపర్ ముక్కని ఏదో చేతిలో పట్టుకోవాలి. మళ్ళీ ఇద్దరు ఎదురుగా వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత చేతులు చూయించి ఎందులో ఉందా? వన్ పేపర్ ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్, ఏ పీస్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్ ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్. ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మై వన్ హ్యాండ్, నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ అనదర్ హ్యాండ్. ఇఫ్ యూ టచ్ ద సంథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ హ్యాండ్, యూ కెన్ బి విన్నర్, otherwise you will be loser. This is the game. Who are the winner who can find the paper hand, then they can the winner. They can get the point. Like this, they play 10 times. Who are the most points get, those are the winner. Okay, this is the fun time, you can try. అర్థమైందా? ఏంటంటే ఇద్దరు ఉంటారు, ఒక అబ్బాయి అమ్మాయి కానివ్వండి, ఇద్దరు అమ్మాయిలు కానీ ఒక అబ్బాయి, వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఆడుకునేటప్పుడు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని వెనకాల తిరిగేసి ఒక చేతిలో ఏదైనా ఒక వస్తువు, ఒక చేతి ఎంటీ హ్యాండ్, ఒక సంథింగ్ ఇన్ వన్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ నథింగ్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ హ్యాండ్, మళ్ళీ ఎదురుగా వచ్చేసి ఏ చేతిలో పెట్టుకున్నా చూద్దాము అంటే ఎవరైతే కరెక్ట్గా మనం ఏదైతే దాపెట్టిన చేతి చూపిస్తారో then the other person can winner, otherwise we are the winner. Okay, then like this if we play 10 times, who get the most points, those are the winners. Try to play this game. Okay nama? Is it clear? Okay, lesson 1 we are completed. These are the action words and this is the 6th bit in the lesson. What the Uncle Jadhav has watching in his balcony in a city. In this lesson we know about the Uncle Pathak. He is in the village. He early get up in the morning and he can watch the village atmosphere. He very much interested to watch this nature in the morning. And Uncle Jadhav has in the city, while evening in the balcony he is watching something on the road. On the road what we can say, so many traffic are there, cars, vehicles, lorries and so many vehicles can travel. Okay na? And some can walk on the road, traffic police, so many things we can watch on the road. These are the bits and these are the eats, cooks, looks, reads, plays, drinks, likes. These are the action words. And playing, singing, walking, running, jumping. These are also action words. These are the spelling is different and pronunciation also different. Meaning also different. These are the some words have given here to pronounce it. Okay? Beat, bit, feet, fit. But first letter is the same. Beat, bit, feet, fit, least, list, sheep, ship, steal, still, heel, hill, leave, live, sit, sit, wheel, will, weep, whip. And here is the one of the game they are given, and you should also try to play this game. It is very funny game. Thank you very much children to listening my class.